Good morning. I'm trying to make this short. We are getting ready to pack up and go from the 2024 Nutmeg Prospectors Rendezvous at Twin River Campground. And these are things that we got last night. We won this awesome little mini rock box. Look at that. Our neighbor gave us these little stickers. And we got a shirt from the Hip Bee. We got our mug. We got some honey. And look at this. We got soap. And it smells so good. I'm going to share some of that with my sister in Georgia. We also got some gold, which I got to put in a pan to show. And we got Ryan happily cooking away bacon. I brought a big Stanley stove, and what am I using? I'm using this little tripod thing. I don't know, it was quick and easy. I like quick and easy. But we had one heck of a time. We danced. You probably see that on somebody's YouTube channel. Oh, we got all this mess we got to clean up. But we had a good time. There's the gold cat still lounging around in bed, not helping at all. Nope, can't do that. And I still got all my gold stuff sitting over here in my banjo pan that I didn't feel like going over last night. I have a half a mind to try it out in my rocker box. But we're going to go down to the river after we get all packed up and put everything we don't need up there in the attic. And we're going to go play with it. I am so excited. That was the best time I've had in years. Okay, well, thanks to Hans and to everybody, my neighbors over there who are wonderful. Can't get better neighbors than that at a campsite. And we will see you. I'm not going to share my bacon with you, though. I might take that down at the river. Sneaky snack. That's our crumpets. Homemade bacon. Okay, then. Oh, yeah. And my neighbor invented this called the Yukon Gold. And if you have any question about whether or not you have any fine gold, it does some miracle chemical thing. He's a genius. And helps to separate and make it work better. And his website is on here. Yukon Bill's Original Gold Drops. Liquid Gold Panning Aid. Very fine flour gold will drop out of the solution into your pan. So, works every time. $8.49. So you might want to check that out. So, and we got this nice little gold pan to go with. That was our treasure for the night. I'm happy. Ryan, you happy?
I'm happy.
Okay, everybody. Well, we're happy campers. Packing up, getting ready to go on the river and play some more. Bye-bye.